sell my daily for quite some time. No one wants it. It's auto sack shit. So I'm going to make some minor improvements to make it drift worthy and just drive how I want it to, so that I can go drift it with my friends while I work on the Skyline, as I have a few things coming through for it that are going to take me a while to install, but it'll be worth it in the end. Now, probably going to try to fix that before I put them in, but it should be easy install. So we're just gonna crack the inner tire rod off, and then crack this bottom bolt, or bottom 3 bolts off, and then remove all the goop. Yes. The wheel is hitting on max lock. Fucking hell. Hope that's not awful, but I'm fairly happy with how this has turned out, as I didn't expect it to have such a good alignment for an eyeball. It's kind of just pretty good, you know, slight pull to the left, but it's expected until I get a proper alignment.